Hi, this is Lionel. Today we're going to try to debug something that is happening since 1 year. That we can't play a music file to music app. We can't import a music file to music application. So I'm going to show you. Show you the bug. So when I'm on the file manager, for example, I want to play the MP3 here. I'm trying to open it with music app, and you see that it is not played. Okay, so this was working before, but since the Qt 5.12 upgrade, it is not working anymore. We will see later why. So this is not working. What we have to do, we have to understand is the workflow. So here I'm on the file manager, and I want to read a file in Music App. So for that, we are using Content Hub, which copy a file to a temporary folder in Hub Incoming, cache in Hub Incoming. The Music App is trying to move the file to the music folder, and there is a component which is responsible to watch the music folder and to extract meta information in a database so that we can have metadata information, title, album, author, everything like that. And when everything is okay, he can read it throughout Media Hub. So yes, so the issue, we will find that if we go to the I'm stopping the screencast. If I am going to the device, I'm going to the logs folder. I don't remember. Okay, this is the log for Music App, and if we see in the log, we can find in the log some issues. We see here that we have a Content Hub import event here in Hub Incoming. So the file is stored in Hub Incoming temporarily, and then he is trying to move that file to the music folder. But we can see here that we have something that is failed to move content to falling back to copy. So this is an issue. This is a log that you can find in Content Hub. If you're looking for the code in GitLab Content Hub, you will find that there is, yes, here. So this is that method that is failing first. We see that the rename doesn't work. So falling back to copy. He's trying to copy the file. I think it's okay because we don't have that logs. We have failed to move content, and after we have something from QML. So this is from the application, so the music app application. So it's failing. Why it's failing? So the rename, and the rename want to copy from one file from Hub Incoming to music application. Well, after some debugging, we will see that in syslog music. So we have lots of information. I think this is common common error. No. Yes, I think that error is more relevant. So we have an AppArmor denied event from the operation link, which can be an internal method used to copy that file having coming to imported to music folder. We have something that is wrong. In fact, if we are looking for the AppArmor issues, AppArmor code, I don't remember, EasyProf. Oh, I think it's EasyProf. Okay, there are some rules. Okay, so we have one rule that make the move method fail. In fact, we can't move a file because moving a file means copy and then delete the source file, and the deleting the source file is not working because of a AppArmor issue. That is okay. So it couldn't work. But why we should have this working, and the MediaScanner should recognize that file. But in fact, we will see that it's not working. Why? So it's not working. Why is it not working? Maybe we can have a look in MediaScanner logs. And if we start here with the use case file example mp3, the file that I tried to use, we can see that we have something that is added here, but we have an error. Or maybe this is a metadata extraction that is not working here, but we got make that data. He finally found something, but we can see that file was deleted. Why file was deleted? So one way to debug that is, I'm not going to show you here, but the idea is to install a tool to watch, because if you oh no, it is not here. If you try to look to the code of MediaScanner, you will find something. Yes, subtree watcher. So this is a code responsible to watch for directory music file and to extract new files and extract metadata. We see here some logs that we find here. File was deleted, new file was created, etc., etc. So in fact, MediaScanner is working with Inotify event. If you're not familiar with Inotify Linux, in fact, Inotify are all events that are triggered when we, for example, add a new file, delete a file, remove, rename, and we have some events here. That is standardized event, and with that we are doing some action. For example, in the MediaScanner, we can see that when you find that kind of event in close right, it will add either the directory or the file. This is okay. Now let's try with. So what I did is just to install Inotify wait. It's available, I think it's Inotify tool. Cache search Inotify. I think it comes from that one. Let's try it. I need to put my partition writable, and I'm going to install that tool. Yes, this is a small tool, so I cannot. Oh, what's happening? Failed to fetch. Okay, I'm not connected to the internet on my device. Let's connect. Okay. So I'm installing that tool, and if I use that command, okay, I'm on add ADB, so I'm limited in the colon character number imported to. I'm on 0407. I don't remember if I have to put, no, it's okay. The backslash, the slash. Okay, so now I'm listening to the folder music imported, and I'm going to try to Mir Screencast. No. Where is Mir Screencast? Screencasting. Up. Here. Let's try again. So I'm choosing the MP3. I'm trying to add it to the music app. And now we see some events here. We see that MP3 has been created. This is internal copy. I think it's buffered. And we see a close write event. He finished to copy, but after we see a delete. So the delete, in fact, is related to, if you remember, the delete is the phase when everything is copied to the destination folder. It tried to delete the source file. So that's why he's receiving a delete event, and that's why he's trying to create another one with that method, the file copy. So I think there is confusion in MediaScanner because he's creating a new entry and he's removing an entry, and then there is another one created. But as we saw in the code from MediaScanner, he is waiting for that event in close write, and we see that when we copy using the Q file copy method from Qt, it does not trigger a close write event to the file. So you don't know what to do. So why it is like that? It's because Qt now use a temporary file, and you don't see the close write event on the source file. Okay, so it doesn't. Okay, so one way to work around that would be to change some processing here, just to handle that case when we have an attrib, because you see here when we use copy, we have a create and an attrib, but we don't have a close write in this file. But it will not be very stable solution, I think. So okay, so the only workaround solution I found is to, when we use, where is content tab? Yes, content tab here. Okay, so one workaround I found is to use I have network bandwidth issues. Maybe I'm not going to show you. My internet is lagging. So the workaround I found is not to use oh, not working. Content item. No, please. Maybe I can. Yes, well, I'm going to open it here. So, content item. If we see so this is a workaround I found by doing a raw copy with input file stream from the C++ import f stream. So by doing this, just a simple copy, it's starting to work again, because we are having good Inotify events. In my testings, for example, I should have that event create. For example, if I create here, I create a picture, I have the create. No, it is not a good example. This should be what we expect. We have a create and then a close write to make MediaScanner work. Okay, so I'm not going to show you. So just to test, if I want to test my new code from Content Tab, I will need to compile it and push it to the device. I can use it. I can use a cross builder for that. So I can't show you my merge request. Internet is not working. So I will let it like that. This is interesting to have some tools to have some debug so you can debug and look inside. Okay, I think I'm sorry I can't show you more. My internet is not working anymore. Okay, bye bye.